So demo day is here. If you guys remember, we did a walkthrough on this house. This is the house where the roaches were fornicating in it. And I bought it in 2020 and I finally got to get inside. I want to say like January of 2023 or December of 2022. And the house was nasty and filthy and all of that. And I'm gonna put that video at the end so you guys can go check out what was there. But that ugly house is now getting demoed, right? What I'm going to do next? Well, what I'm going to do next is I am actually going to, we're knocking this house down and we're gonna come up with a townhouse plan, right? So a townhouse is essentially a duplex, but the correct term is a townhouse because we're separating the parcel. Not only are we separating the parcel, so each property has their own address, we're also gonna make sure that if I ever want to sell them, you can sell them individually and they're not necessarily a duplex on one lot. Also, I'm talking to the architect now in reference to getting some plans together to do an ADU. What is an ADU? An additional dwelling unit. So I want to get income from the front of the house and I also want to get income from the back. You know, do like a 400 square feet house in the back. Maybe, you know, people be attracted to it via Airbnb or something like that, or might even just rent it out as a single unit, just depending on what brings in more income. So the process, it takes about 4 to 5 days, well, 4 days to get to where they're at currently. I had to wait 2 months for this guy to come. Unfortunately, I had to wait 2 months for him to come, but he gave me a great price, so I didn't mind waiting, and I had to get the plans and everything else sorted out. So I'm like, all right, whatever, I'll wait. But the house cost about $4,500 to get knocked down. It was like a 800 square foot house, so that was $4,500. If you see the brush in the back, if you're looking at that, there's a whole bunch of brush. So they had to clear all that out. Every trip to the dumpster is costing me about $600. I don't know how many trips they made so far with all the brush. It was a lot of brush, and he took out the small trees, because he could take out the small trees, he just couldn't take out the big trees. We're looking forward to completing this. The guys are still working now as we go, but this is just, you know, the house getting demoed, man. And in the meantime, if you want to see what the house used to look like, man, just click on that video next to me, bro. I'm Nasa, AKA the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a guru because I actually do this business. Peace.